You filthy children! Look at yourselves, why don't you? It is unto yourselves you should be looking! I wasn't always like this. Once, I was a peaceful worm. I had a job, a girlfriend, everything. Then came that fateful day.
Gotta go to work, honey. Bye. Oops. Think I'll try out my golf shoes.
Hey! Peace, man.
Oops, I forgot my keys.
Have a nice...
Darn keys.
Have a nice... Peace.
Gotta get that exercise. Put out that forest fire. Bye, honey.
What are you doing, Johnny? What's that cup for, Johnny? Johnny, I'm your girlfriend. I'm worried about you.
Don't worry about me, Sally. I know that humanity is foul and evil, but it doesn't bother me. Really. I'm gonna put it all to rights.
Vitriol. Avoid contact with face. What's it for?
Oh, not much. I'm just going to visit a certain human I know. Watch out, Sally.
Johnny! 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 Johnny, don't do it! You'll go to prison!
Don't touch me! Can't you see my soul is on fire? I don't care what happens! I don't care! I don't care! I don't care! Ow! My face!
Want another blanket, Johnny?
Oh, how could I have been so wrong? I lost my humanity in a maelstrom of hatred and revenge. But what can I do to make up for it all? I've got it! I'll apologize to the human! You don't know me, but I had wrath in my heart. I had vengeance in my soul. But that was my past life. Now I've discovered the glory that resides in all living things. From the lowest protozoan crawling on its belly in the lowlands. Lowlands. To the great speckled trout that leaps in pristine crystalline lakes in the uplands. Blessings upon the universe and all it contains. Oh, how I love the world. Oh, how I love humanity. God bless everybody! Bye, honey. Gotta go to work again. Oops, forgot my shoes again. Bye, honey.